Welcome to 14074 Serenity Cove Drive in Gonzales, Louisiana. This 3-bedroom, 2-split floor plan is painted in a soft buttercream colour palette which flows throughout the home. This home offers a separate eating area with lots of natural light, with views of the mature front yard and landscaping. The kitchen is equipped with a snack bar, new stainless steel appliances, custom tiled splashback, granite countertops and a large walk-in pantry. The large living room has a corner gas log fireplace, crown mouldings, wooden floor and is open to the kitchen area. This split floor plan has 2 bedrooms opposite the master and are separated by the laundry area. Both rooms come fully carpeted in neutral beige carpeting. The full bathroom completes this side of the home with a shower tub combination, cool beige tiles and 1 vanity sink. Walking towards the master bedroom, you'll see a very large office space. This could even be used as a media room. The soft colour palette continues in the master bedroom with lots of natural light, crown mouldings and wooden flooring. The ensuite master bath is complete with dual vanity sinks, separate soaking tub, standalone shower and an oversized walk-in closet. The oversized backyard is quiet and relaxing with a covered porch area. 14074 Serenity Cove Drive is in the Gateway Cove subdivision and is move-in ready for you and your family. Call for your private showing today.